So in this problem, let's review what we just learned. I want you to write the equation of the line. Well, first of all, you can put down the coordinates. So this one is 1, 2. This point is 0, -1. And this last point is -1, 1, 2, 3, 4, -4. You can definitely put down the coordinates. Now, from the lesson before, y equals mx plus b, this number b is located right there. Now, if you're very familiar with this, you already know it's going to be -1. So in your equation, it's going to be y equals mx minus 1. However, if you can't remember that, do what we just did. Let's start counting the slope. Now, it doesn't matter which 2 points you pick. I am just going to pick the points 0, -1, and 1, 2. So I'm going to start. I got to go 1, 2, 3. So up 3, and then right 1. So up, that's positive. Right, that's positive. So this line has a slope of 3. And it doesn't matter which 2 points that you pick. Okay, so now I'm going to write in my equation. Y equals mx plus b. So the y value and the x value comes from any one of these points. So I am going to choose 1, 2. Again, I like dealing with positive numbers. So the first number is an x, the second number is an y. So now you put in 2 equals the m we just calculated, it's the 3. And the x, I'm going to use 1. Again, the x and y came from 1, 2. You can pick any of these 3 points that you like. I just like positive numbers, and I'm going to solve for b, where it crosses the y-axis. But if you understand, this 0, -1, that's where it's going to cross the y-axis, so I know this is going to work out to be b equals -1. But if we go through the math, and I'm going to show you, 2 minus 3 is -1. So when you put it all together, y equals, the m was a 3, that's the slope. Then you put in the x, and then you put in your value for b, -1. Again, this -1 is this point right here, where it crosses the y-axis.